Okay, so this was a lot of fun to put together. I've got Monaco running inside my CryptCrafter game, and this is the user interface editor, which to begin with will be code-based. And I wanted it code-based because I want to attach scripts to all sorts of things, and I'm just letting people use TypeScript. And what I've done is configure Monaco to load up all the modules I'm using myself. So I mentioned in the last post I've written that sort of immediate mode user interface library, which is what you would use to create a user interface in here. And basically I've wired up Monaco to look at those modules, so you get IntelliSense and things like that. And if I just paste in a block of code for a very simple bit of UI, which is just going to repeat a texture of a background there. There's all the TypeScript for it, modules. I'm not using that yet, but I will in a second. And if I press the play button, that gets compiled to JavaScript and then gets loaded up and rendered using my rendering engine, which is not exposed to the end user. But because all the types are the same, and most of this is working on data arrays, ultimately under the hood, it kind of seamlessly works backwards and forwards with my own bundled JavaScript from my TypeScript. Oh, what a world! And if I go and pop a little button in now as well, you can see this isn't just me talking rubbish. It really is compiling and running it and letting me preview it as I go. That was a load of fun to wire up this morning, really interesting. I'm using a WASM based bundler to bundle my modules into a JavaScript file, and then that's what's running at the bottom, being connected back up to my rendering tools. So yeah, that was super fun to build. I will write some more about how it works. Honestly, that was great fun. Most fun I've had coding in a little while. That was just super fun. Great. Well, thanks for watching.